Good morning everyone. Our second chapter is Word Processor Tabular Presentation. In this chapter, we are dealing with the Microsoft Word software and the tabular presentation in this software. Okay. In this chapter, we are studying about how to create a table, entering data, editing a table, aligning text, formatting a table, and resizing a table. These are the various topics that we are covering in the second chapter. A table. A table is an organized arrangement of data in rows and columns. Tables are useful for various tasks such as presenting text information and numerical data. Now column. A series of vertical cells is known as column in a table. Okay, a series of vertical cell is known as column. And now row. A series of horizontal cells in a table is known as row. Okay, a series of horizontal cells in a table is known as row. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. The intersection of both row and column is known as a cell. Our next topic is inserting a table. How to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Please listen carefully to the screen. This is the Microsoft Word window. There are different ways to insert a table. First method, we are going to do the first method. Okay. Click on the insert tab. This is the insert tab and this is the click on the insert tab and this is the table groups. Then we have to click on the table option, then drag the mouse down. If you want 2 rows and 4 columns, click here. Then adjust the size. We can by clicking the square down the table we can adjust the size. Okay. Okay, now the second method, click on the insert option, then here on the tables, then there is an option here, insert table. Click on that. Now you have to enter the number of rows and columns. If you want 5 columns and 5 rows, here type 5, then down type 5, then click on OK. Then adjust the table as you want. Okay, this is the second method. Next topic is editing a table. Already there is a table on the screen. Okay, how to edit a table? On that first one, how to insert a row and a column. How to insert an extra row or column. Okay, if you want to insert a row, extra row, place the cursor anywhere in the row. Okay, anywhere in the row. Then right click your mouse and a menu appears. Right click with your mouse and a menu appears. In here on the option, click on the insert. Click on the insert option. Then here, if you want to insert rows below the existing row, click on the insert below option, and if you want to insert the row above the existing row, click on the option insert row above. Okay, now we are inserting the row below, then click on insert rows below. Okay, the same way if you want to insert an extra column, click on the column, then right click, then insert. Then if you want to insert columns to the left or insert columns to the right, if you want, now we are going to insert the columns to the right side of the existing column. So next is how to delete a row or column. Okay, next topic is how to delete a row or column. If you want to delete the row, here is a table. If you want to delete the class 5 row, then for that select the row using mouse, select the row, then click on the right button of the mouse, then the context menu appears, then on the menu click on the delete cell option. Now 4 options will appear in a window. Then now we are going to delete the rows of click on the delete entire option, then OK. Now the classify row is deleted. The same way for deleting the column, select the column that we want to delete, select using mouse, then right click, delete columns. OK. Next thing is to how to apply a table style. A table style means how to apply a design to the table. For applying the table style, select the table that you have made, then on the table styles menu under design, there is a wide variety of option designs that you can choose. Select the design that you like. Okay, using mouse select the design that you like. Okay, now the design has changed. If you want to change it again, click on the arrow in the table styles, then change the design. Okay, hope you have understood. Our next topic is moving the table. When the mouse is placed over the table, two handles appears, one in the upper left and one in the bottom right corner. For moving the table, click and drag the upper left corner of the table. This click and drag on this and move the table to where you want. If you want to place the table here, then move the table to here and release the mouse button. And if you want to move the table to bottom again, move the table to there and release the mouse button. Okay, hope you have understood. Next topic is resizing the table. How to resize a table? For resizing the table, click on the table that you have made, then two handles appear at the upper left corner and bottom right corner. Click on the handle, that is the resize handle, on the bottom right corner and drag as long as you want and release after resizing. Okay, now the table is enlarged, and if you want to reduce the size, click on the resize handle and drag inside and then release the mouse button.